Hello, and thanks for joining Jeff's Mortgage Minute. I got a really incredible response to people interested in one of my videos on the Rapid Rescore. Rapid Rescore is just a part of some of the things that I have done for many years in helping my clients fix their credit. There are times when I do use a very, very reputable credit bureau that helps me, but a lot of times you can repair most of your credit by just having some time, some patience, and just getting to it. The rapid rescore is one of them, meaning what we've done is we took a gentleman that was a 694 and we raised him up to the 727 by doing some things, paying down some balances, not paying the credit card off. Again, the rapid rescore is just a fragment of some of the things that I do offer. If you are ever interested in repairing your credit, I've had clients that we've done it for 3 months, 6 months, and I had a 22 months. We helped repair some credit and they are in their home. So feel free to give me a call if you have any questions regarding repairing your credit. Again, Jeff, the Arbor Financial Group. Thank you and have a wonderful day.